Step 1. Draw the margin outside on your page. With the help of a scale on white paper, draw a margin by dropping half an inch around it. We need to know that the picture will not be good if the paper is not clean. Step 2. Draw the face first. First draw the English alphabet U, tilted slightly. Step 3. Draw the lion's ear above the mouth. We need to make lion's ears a little above the bushes of the mouth. Draw the lion's ear in such a way that it looks like the sun is peeking out of the bushes. Leave a small gap in the middle of the mouth and ears. Step 4. This time we will draw a picture of a lion's head. For this, you have to draw a big circle. Draw a large circle around the center of the ear very lightly. Step 5. Draw the back and legs of the lion. Now we will draw L in the English alphabet under our heads. Draw a little crooked way, you know, it looks like back and legs. Step 6. Draw 2 legs in front. Pull 3 long spots like pillars, just below the head. Those pillars are nothing more than a lion's foot in front. The foot looks the same. Step 7. Now we will draw eyes. Step 8. Now we will draw the nose. First, we have to draw 2 small curved spots on the mouth. Draw the mouth just below the face. Remember, the lion's mouth will be a little longer like a pipe. Step 9. Paint the whole body yellow. First paint the head and ears yellow. Then slowly turn the whole body yellow from top to bottom very slowly. Don't give too much color, try to make it a little lighter. Step 10. With the help of some things, we rub the yellow color a little. Now we have to rub on the color. To rub the paint, we need tissue paper. If we do not have tissue paper, we can use normal paper. Step 11. Give light yellow color to the head. His head will be lighter than his body. And there, I mean the head, should give a very light yellow color. No need to rub here, lighten the color. Step 12. Give a light green color on the yellow color on the head. Where we have painted the head yellow, this time we will give the green color in a light way. Before painting, I warn you not to let the paint go out. Now our color is almost done. Step 13. Put bushes on your head. We will draw bushes like the leaves of a tree with more green rules on the green color. Here we can use green oil pastel if you want. But in our opinion, it is better not to use green oil pastel there. Step 14. Give green color to the bushes of the head. A little while ago we drew leaf-like bushes with a green rule pencil. Paint them green. The ends of the leaves will be a little more green and gently blend into the yellow. Step 15. Draw shades of blue under the feet and highlight the border. Remember that shadows increase the importance of any picture, we have told you many times before. So where the lion is sitting, a little blue under his feet, we mean draw the shadow. You will give the color of rose to the inner part of the ear. Then highlight the outline or lion structure with a black marker pen.